speaker and battery replacement on Asus K555UB laptop. Thank you, Sir Kurt, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. A speaker and battery replacement service was performed on the Asus K555UB laptop to address audio distortion issues and poor battery performance. The process began with the careful disassembly of the laptop to access the internal components. The built-in speakers, which were producing crackling and unclear sound due to wear and possible damage, were removed and replaced with new, compatible units to restore clear and balanced audio output. Next, the degraded battery showing signs of reduced capacity, shorter operating time, and slow charging was removed from its compartment. A new, compatible lithium-ion battery was installed securely, ensuring proper connection for stable power delivery and efficient charging. After reassembly, the laptop underwent a full system check. The new speakers were tested to confirm clear sound output without distortion, and the new battery was tested for proper charging and extended runtime. Both replacements were verified to be working correctly, restoring the laptop's performance, portability, and multimedia functionality while extending its overall lifespan. Speaker and battery replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.